Wiring is done. But you forgot the labels. Traditional cable markers require disconnection and reinstallation. Time-consuming and inefficient. Introducing CHII LEE C-ring cable marker. C-shaped design. Install anytime, even after wiring is completed. No disassembly. Fast and effortless. 9 models available, covering 1.9 to 8.8 mm cable diameters. Ink printing or laser engraving for clear, durable marking. Standard colors: white, yellow, red, blue, green. Custom colors available on request. Applications: data centers, telecom engineering, control panels, government projects. CHII LEE, over 40 years of mold design and injection molding experience. Full in-house production for stable quality and fast delivery. Lead time: 7 to 10 days for standard stock. 15 to 30 days for customized orders. CHII LEE C-ring cable marker. Efficient, reliable, professional. Contact us today for your customized quotation. www.chilee.com